Hi, I'm Jessica, and today I'm introducing this incline and flat-belt conveyor. Firstly, the customer's conveyed material consists of plastic bags filled with dust and powder, and there might be some powder residue on the outer surface of the bags. To prevent this powder from entering the packaging line, the customer requested the installation of air knives and blowers above the conveyor. This helps maintain hygiene and operational efficiency in the production line. As you can see, this inclined design allows the customer to load the material onto the conveyor smoothly. Additionally, a sensor is installed at the end of the machine to promptly detect the conveyed items and ensure that they do not fall to the ground. If you have any questions about the conveyor system, please feel free to contact us.